Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Only Best. All right, I'm back today with another video on Signale Di Obbligo. So if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, you are mostly welcome to my channel. All right, in this channel, I get to explain the Italian theory in English for you to understand better. If you're having difficulties understanding in Italiano. All right, mind you that I do not take anything, I do not withdraw any information. All right, just as it is in the theory is what I'm giving you. I'm not adding and I'm not subtracting. Okay, before I get started, please, I like to encourage you that at the end of this video, if you like what you're getting, do not forget to leave me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button, turn the notification bell on so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Lastly, I wouldn't mind you sharing me with your family and friends. It's going to do a whole lot for this channel. In fact, I really appreciate that kind gesture. Okay, let us get into why we are here. Signale Di Obbligo lesson 5. Now we've done from 1 to 4. If you have not seen those videos, I will be leaving it in the description box below. Check those videos out. It is very important that you do not miss any of these videos. Okay. Now, on this particular lesson 5 of Signale Di Obbligo, we'll be seeing this sign. Otatore. What does it mean? What does it tell you? On seeing this sign, what does it mean? È un segnale di prescrizione. Remember that signale di obbligo is also signale di prescrizione. They might not ask you in your test, is this signale di obbligo? They might come and ask you, is this signale di prescrizione? It is vero. È posto prima della sbocco di un'area in cui è prescritta la circolazione rotatoria. Now, it is being placed on the outlets of an area where it is written or where it is being prescribed as circulation of rotatoria. Rotatoria na roundabout. Un incrocio, in piazza, in a junction, in a piazza. You're going to find this sign. Obbliga i conducenti a circolare secondo l'avverso indicato della freccia. Now, it obliges you as a driver. Drive according to the arrows. The way it is being seen, you drive according to it. Su strada extraurbana è preceduto da segnali di pericolo triangolari. Circolazione rotatoria. Now for extraurbana principale. Extraurbana, outside of the cities. You see this sign. Before this sign, you're going to see pericolo sign warning you 150 ahead of this sign. Warning you 150 ahead of a rotatoria, a roundabout. All right, I brought out this picture. This is the signale di pericolo. This sign is warning you ahead of this sign, the rotatoria. This sign is warning you ahead of this sign. 150 ahead, usually you see signale di pericolo telling you of a danger. Be careful. There's a roundabout coming up. All right? Ok. Il segnale viene posto prima dell'incrocio sul lato destra. Now this sign you see before the junction, for the right side of the road, just like seen in this photo. For the right side of the road. I'm trying to see if I can enlarge it for you guys to see. But if not, this is it. I think this is the best I can enlarge. All right, this is the sign. It is posted by the right side of the road before the junction. Okay. That's that for rotatoria. Now, this one is limite minimo di velocità di 30 km per ora. Attenzione. This is the minimum, not maximum. Minimum. You cannot go below this. You can go higher, but you cannot go below. That is why it is called minimum. Okay, mind you that you can see other numero inside of it is not just going to be 30. It might be other numero. So let us read what this sign is telling us. È un segnale di prescrizione. It is segnale di prescrizione. Mind you, signale di obbligo is also signale di prescrizione. indica il limite di velocità al di sotto da quale è vietato circolare, limite minimo di velocità. Now this one tells you under this number you are forbidden to circulate. This is the limit, the minimum limit, all right, you can circulate. Vieta quindi il transito a veicoli che non siano in grado di osservare la prescrizione. And this sign forbids the vehicle when no go fit observe this limit to drive on top of that road. For example, if you drive a vehicle that is bad, a vehicle that cannot go above 30, a vehicle where they go below 30, no drive for this road because the limit is not 30. So if your vehicle is not good, if your vehicle is not in order, if your vehicle not there in the grade to go at least 30 on this road, no drive. You're not allowed to go 27. You're not allowed to go 28. You're not allowed to go 29. From 30 upwards, please be careful. Nonostante sia necessario circolare a velocità maggiore, di quello indicata bisogna comunque rispettare il limite di velocità massima per il tipo di strada che si percorre. Now, mind you, this sign, on seeing it on the road, if you drive 40, if you drive 50, if you drive 60, if you drive 70, if you drive 80, if you drive 90, so long as it is not below, but mind you, do not go more than the speed limit on that road. For example, say you see the sign for inside of the city, for example. You find it inside of the city. Now, we have normally for city, central be 30, 50. Then when you can't see this sign telling you don't go below 30, you can go 40, you can go 45, you can go 47, 48, 49, but please respect the limits for the main road where they walk up. For example, you see the sign for Sabana Principale. Normally, Sabana Principale is 110 per hour. Now, on seeing this sign, you know if you go less than this, but if you go more than this, right? Yes. If you go 40, if you go 50, if you go 60, going to 100, you can go. 109, you can go. But mind you, don't go more than 110 meant for that road. Do you understand this? That's where I was headed to. The next question, the next lesson, question that entered my head, quiz, mamma mia, unfortunately. Fine the limit minimum of the velocità. Now, this is not the end of that limit. You're going to see this one first telling you this is the limit. You're going to see it crossed with a red line telling you now is the end. You can go less than this. You can go 20 something. It's fine. È un segnale di prescrizione. Remember, say Signale di Obbligo is also segnale di prescrizione. All right? Indica la fine del limite minimo di velocità. Now, this tells you the end of the limit, the minimum limit you can go, meaning that from now on, if you go 29, if you go 28, if you go 27, all right. Consente quindi di circolare sia a velocità minore che maggiore di quella indicata. Now, it allows you to go below and, of course, above the sign. Sempre nel limite massimo di velocità vigenti per quella strada. All right? So long as you're obeying the maximum limit for that road, all right? You can go below, you can go above. Just make sure you're observing the maximum limit on that road. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me see the like button being smashed. Yes, that gives me joy a lot. You know what it tells me? It tells me that you're enjoying the video. That's okay for me. I don't want to be talking to myself. When you're liking the video, it shows me that you loved what you got and that you're expecting me to do more and do better. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. All right. Please share my video to your family and friends, most importantly. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. All right. We're going to be talking about Obbligo lesson 6 in the next video. Do not miss out on any of this. Like I said, I'll be dropping the description. Boss, I'll be dropping the link to Obbligo number 1 to 4. This is number 5. The lesson 1 to 4, I'll be dropping it. Please watch those videos so you know where we are coming from and where we are going to. All right. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.